Good morning. This is a recording for Monday, August 19th. We continue reading from the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. Today's essay is titled Growing Inside the Sun. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a poem by Ralph Waldo Emerson. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. Let me read it again. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. I saw a woman singing while pregnant and imagined how the rhythms of song affected the life forming within her. Imagine the sun drawing her unborn child's soul closer to its time in the world. The way light works on a root strengthening underground. I watched her sing and realized that the life within her was growing inside the sun. I looked around the room, for we were in a circle of sun, and everyone singing was bringing their soul closer to its time in the world. The nervous man was less nervous while singing, and the insecure woman next to me was relaxing her unworthiness as she sang. And I was able to drop my replaying of wounds while my mouth was open and my eyes were closed. It was then that I realized that regardless of the words or the melody, this effort to sing is a way to open the passageways between what is growing within and what is growing without. I now believe it is important that we sing while pregnant with our dreams and troubles and want of truth and love. Important that we attend our little seed of spirit with the same care we would offer an unborn life forming within us. Essential that we care for our unique body as a carrier of life, magically forming within us as we make it through our days. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keep your breath natural, nice and soft. And remind yourself that there is nothing that needs to be fixing. Not about your breath, not about yourself, not about this moment. Everything is enough, just the way it is. See if this reminder helps you get a sense of spaciousness in your being. If it helps you enter a sense of freedom in which all the experiences of the present moment can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now place your hands on your belly, imagining that you are pregnant with a form of yourself growing within you. What this new, unborn you is going to bring to this world? What might their dreams and hopes be? Breathe deeply, and when comfortable, give voice to your breath, exhaling with whatever sound comes out. Maybe ah, maybe maybe zzz, maybe something completely different like a sigh or a song. See if you can do it without any inhibition, just letting the song of your breath to form within you and come out into the world. I'll give you a few moments to experiment with that. Breathe singing while your hands hold your spirit forming within you. How does that feel? Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of your practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this beautiful and perhaps a bit unusual reflection. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.